Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to obtain a US FBI police clearance certificate for IRCC or Canada immigration, whether you are applying for Canada PR, a work permit or any other immigration process. If you have lived in the United States for 6 months or more in a row, you may be required to submit this police certificate as a part of your application. To get started, log in to this page, link is provided in the description below, and select Request an Identity History Summary from the FBI online option. In this video, I will show you how to use the online option. For that, visit that website and click Learn More on obtaining your Identity History Summary. Here you can optionally click this link, List of participated US Post Office location in a separate tab. Go back to your previous tab, enter your email and click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will receive a PIN from Criminal Justice Information Services on your registered email. Here copy your PIN and click here to access your request. Here after hitting continue, it will ask you to enter your PIN, and here you can enter your PIN and click login. It will ask you to accept Privacy Act statement. Click I accept and click continue. This is where it will ask you to enter all your personal information. Enter your last name, first name, date of birth and place of birth. In my case it's India, and since I am applying for express entry for Canada, I am neither a US citizen nor a legal permanent resident, so I'll choose the option no there. And I'll enter my country of citizenship, which is India, country of residence as United States, my last 4 digits of social, enter my race as Asian and click next. This is where I'll enter my US residential address where I would like to receive the physical copy of the police certificate. I can optionally enter my phone number here and click next. Here I need to select the preferences if you would like my social security number or date of birth included in the response, and I want status notification on my email, so I'll select yes and click next. Next it will ask you how would you like to submit your fingerprint card. Here I will choose the electronic option and it will display all the fingerprinting locations here. I will enter my postal code here to find the nearest fingerprinting location. And next I'll proceed to payment. It will ask you to confirm all my information. Once I click yes, it will say that I received your application and then redirect you to payment. Click proceed to payment, select debit or credit card and select continue to complete your payment. Once your payment is complete, you will receive a confirmation email from Criminal Justice Information Services. Before going to your fingerprinting appointment, make sure to carry a printout of the confirmation email and 2 valid ID documents. At the fingerprinting center, you simply need to submit your fingerprints. You do not need to carry a fingerprint card because the center will already have it and they will directly upload your fingerprints to the FBI system electronically. This makes the process much easier, secure and faster. And just for your reference, this is how a fingerprint card looks like, but again in most cases the center takes care of it for you. Make sure to check the current processing times on the FBI website so you know what to expect. In general, the entire process usually takes about 1 week to 10 days depending on the fingerprint submission and FBI processing times. Once your application is processed, you will receive your FBI police clearance certificate. And finally, your FBI police clearance certificate will look something like this. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.